How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys how to do stomach vacuum exercises for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So stomach vacuums are important because they will improve your posture and help you get a thinner waist. Here is how to perform them, you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay on the ground. So again, all we're going to do, and this is very easy to do, is we're just going to lay on the ground like so. Now what you're going to do is put your hands in front of you. Now all you want to do is simply suck up your stomach like so. So again, it might be a little bit hard to see. I will lift my shirt up to show you guys. So again, all we're doing when we're performing this is we're just sucking our stomach up like so. So you guys can see that. Now again, it will look kind of funny. It kind of looks like I'm not even doing it at all. But again, to do the stomach exercise, it doesn't matter if you have six-pack abs, if you have a little bit of a belly going on. I'm not the leanest right now, you guys. My abs are okay. But again, I'm not super lean right now. My abs aren't popping. I am just going through my cutting cycle right now. I have just started. So again, to do the stomach vacuum, all you do is you breathe out. So you get all the lung or all the air out of your lungs. So you and then you suck in. So again, I will show you guys from the side, but it's easier to do it on the ground. So what you do, so breathe out and then suck your stomach up as much as you can, and it will look like this. And you get a very, very thin waist from doing this. This is another benefit. So again, what you want to do is breathe out and then suck in, you guys. So again, I'll show you guys again. So what you want to do, again, you guys can see, I'll show you. So breathe out and then suck in as much as you can. So again, and then you can see that's the stomach vacuum working, you guys. So again, I highly, highly recommend doing this. Stomach vacuums have been linked to thinner waist. It has been proven by science, you guys. It have been proven by studies that doing stomach vacuums, again, can help with thinner waist. Overall, to get a thin waist, though, it's going to be based on your diet, losing weight consistently. Again, I'm on week 2 right now of my cutting diet. I am doing a low carb diet. I have been seeing results. So that's all you guys can do is just keep losing weight, and then over time you will see the results. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.